was.
Hi, I'm ReyRove. I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna review some news on May 17 to 23. Let's see what we have on May 17. The first news that we have is about the Drop Group. Drop Group announces dropping to tokenize Gen AI outputs. Let's dive into the news and see what is it about. This news it's about the Drop Group's new platform DropLink, which aims to revolutionize AI development and also management using blockchain technology. DropLink aims to bridge the gap between artificial intelligence AI and also blockchain technology. So it provides a platform for users to develop and manage their AI projects. DropLink also promises to significantly change how AI is built and maintained. It reportedly works across multiple blockchains, offering flexibility for developers. We can talk about the stakeholder roles too. The first thing that we can talk it's about the computational resource patrons. The abbreviation we can say CRPs. So these stakeholders provide the computing power needed for AI processes. And another thing that we can talk, it's about the revenue sharing. So CRPs, the abbreviation of the computational resource patrons. So sharing the revenue generated by the AI processes, they enable incentivizing their participation. According to the news, we can talk about the data storage and also the outputs. So the first thing is about the tokenized AI outputs. So DropLink uses the Solana blockchain to tokenize. As you know, tokenize it means convert into digital assets. So it's going to tokenize the final results or the outputs we can say generated by the AI processes. Another thing that we can talk about is about the Filecoin storage, as we see on the news. These tokens representing the AI outputs are stored on the Filecoin network, a decentralized storage platform. So overall, we can say DropLink sounds like an ambitious platform that aims to make AI development more accessible and also efficient by leveraging blockchain technology. So it promises benefits for both users developing AI, such as ownership, control, easier data contribution, and also CRPs providing computational resources, as we can say about the revenue sharing. So this was the news that we had on May 17, and it was a good news, I think, too. So let's see what we have on May 17. Another thing that we have on May 17 that is interesting for the Telegram users, it is about the Obit collaboration with Tone lets users spend Tether sent over Telegram. So about the Tone, about the Telegram. Let's see what is this collaboration is about. This is about the two separate but also related developments involving cryptocurrency payments. Obit is a mobile payment app, so is integrating Tonecoin, as you know, the native cryptocurrency of Tone network as a payment option. This allows Tonecoin holders to use their cryptocurrency for tap and pay transactions at over 100 million retailers worldwide. And also this integration strengthens this recent collaboration between Tone Foundation and Tether, a major stablecoin provider, as you know. So Tether can now be sent directly as a message within Telegram, and then users can then spend the same USDT for instant tap and pay transactions on Obit app. So what does it mean? We can say it in a very short way that these developments aim to expand the use of cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions, and also Obit's wide network for retailers makes Toncoin and USDT more accessible for spending. So sending USDT within Telegram simplifies sending and also receiving funds for potential purchases on Omit. So together, all of this together, we can say these integrations could potentially make crypto payments more convenient, also more user-friendly. So overall, we can say about this collaboration, we can say these advancements suggest a growing focus on making cryptocurrencies a more practical payment option by integrating them with existing platforms like Telegram and Omit. So it was an interesting thing, I think. Let's see what we have on May 21. We have news on May 20, but we want to focus on the important ones, the words such as the AI, such as crypto, such as the technology. So let's see what we have on May 21. Something that is interesting about the Web3, it is about the Solana-based wallet Phantom by Web3, especially is Bitsky. Let's see what is it about. If you're working in a Web3, as I am, so this thing it could be interesting for you. For who are interested in things like this, it could be a good news too. So this news is about the acquisition of Bitsky, a Web3 browser extension wallet by Phantom, a leading crypto wallet in the Solana ecosystem. So the acquisition we can talk about, first of all, about the ReyRove. So it's a Phantom, prominent crypto wallet within the Solana blockchain ecosystem. And another thing, it's about the acquired Bitsky, a Web3 browser extension wallet focusing on Web3 integration. So what are the impacts and benefits of this project, of this thing, of this work? So it is about the embedded wallet for Solana. So Phantom intends to leverage Bitsky's expertise to introduce embedded wallets for the Solana ecosystem. So embedded wallets are likely to simplify user experience, and how it can make it easier, it can make it more user-friendly. So by integrating wallet functionality directly within applications or websites. So overall, we can say these acquisitions suggest Phantom's focus on expanding its functionalities and also potentially making crypto interactions on Solana more user-friendly through embedded wallets. And Web3 refers to the centralized version of the internet where users have more control over the data and also their applications. So by acquiring Bitsky, Phantom might be aiming to become a more comprehensive solution for users interacting with Web3 applications built on Solana. So let's go and see the other news on May 21. Let's go. We have lots of news on May 21, but we want to just see what is more interesting for us. So we saw the AI subnet. Let's see what is this news. So the title of the news is about the LivePeer announced AI subnet launch. This news describes LivePeer launch of a new service focused on artificial intelligence AI within the context of their video streaming network. So LivePeer, known for video streaming infrastructure, has launched an AI subnet, according to the news. So this subnet allows hardware providers to earn cryptocurrency by processing tasks related to AI, and specifically AI inference and AI compute jobs. The AI subnet is a fork of main LivePeer protocol, and it means it shares the core functionality, but it is adapted for AI purposes. So the benefits of this work, first of all, is about the hardware providers. So for hardware providers, we can say they can earn fees by contributing their computing power to AI tasks. And also about the developers. What are the benefits for the developers? So the subnet aims to provide adaptable and also affordable access to AI processing power for building and innovating with AI. So overall goal, we can talk about it. It's about the offer. It offers an alternative to big tech controlled AI compute resources. So in general and overall, we can say Lightfear's AI subnet seems like an innovative approach to leverage their existing network for AI tasks. So it could potentially benefit both those seeking AI processing power and also those with computing resources to contribute. So as we see, the last point that was really very interesting. So it has benefits for people that are seeking AI processing power and also those with computing resources to contribute. Let's see what we have on May 21. Another news that we have. On 21, we have another news that is about the Fetch.ai launches recruitment suite powered by AI agents. So this news, as we studied about this news, it's about the Fetch.ai's launch of Fetch recruitment, an AI-powered platform designed to automate parts of the hiring process. So Fetch.ai is a company developing decentralized infrastructure for AI agents. So a new platform built by Fetch.ai that uses AI agents to streamline the hiring process. So what are the benefits of the Fetch recruitment? So the first thing, it's about automating the mundane task. So the platform automates repetitive tasks such as screening resumes, freeing up HR professionals' time. Another thing is about the focus on talent acquisition. So HR professionals can concentrate on finding the best candidates by delegating routine tasks to AI. So another thing is about the efficiency and unbiased hiring. So Fetch recruitment aims to improve efficiency and potentially reduce bias in the hiring process. So according to the news, we can say the platform leverages various AI tools for its functionalities. So the first thing, it's about the deepgram, a speech-to-text conversion, likely for processing audio resumes or interviews. Another thing, it is 11 labs, text-to-speech generation, possibly for creating interview feedback or communication. Another thing, it's about the OpenAI GPT-4, likely used for generating job descriptions or tailoring them based on candidate profiles. The last one is about the PDF.ai, presumably used for automated resume screening and also extracting relevant information. So we saw what are the AI tools. The platform leverages various AI tools for its functionalities, and we saw the tools. It was about the Deepgram, 11 Labs, OpenAI GPT-4, and the last one, it was about the PDF.ai. So overall, we can say that the Fetch recruitment represents an application of AI technology aimed at improving the efficiency and also potentially reducing bias in the recruitment process. By automating routine tasks, HR professionals can focus on strategic aspects of hiring. So it can make it easier and they can focus on the main things. So the use of various AI integrations also suggests a comprehensive approach to streamlining different stages of recruitment workflow. On May 22, we have news that is about the Casper Labs unveils Prove AI as governance solution for AI training data. As we see, this news is about the Casper Labs launch of Prove AI, a solution focused on governing and ensuring responsible development of AI. So the focus of this work is about enhancing transparency and auditability in AI, specifically for the training data used to develop AI models. So what is the technology? So technology is built on the Casper blockchain known for its security and also scalability. The benefits of this project that we can mention and say them in a very short way, that is about compliance with regulations. So Prove AI is positioned as a tool to help business comply with emerging regulations around AI, such as EU AI Act and California's AI Accountability Act. These regulations aim to ensure fairness, transparency, and also accountability in AI development and deployment. In general or overall, we can say Prove AI represents an effort to address concerns about responsible AI development by providing a way to track and verify training data. It could also help business build more trustworthy and ethical AI models. So this was the news on May 22, and let's see what we have on May 22 that is interesting for us. So we have a lot of news here. So another news that we have on May 22, it's about the NIR's Polosakhin outlines vision for user-owned AI. So this news is about the NIR's ambitious plan to become a leading platform for user-owned AI. The goal of this project is to become the primary platform for user-owned AI and the go-to place for building and nurturing new AI projects. So the focus on user ownership, about this thing, we can say NIR emphasize user control and also ownership of AI models and data. So what are the potential benefits of this project? The first thing is about the democratizations of AI. So NIR's plan could potentially make AI development and usage more accessible to a wider range of users by focusing on open source models, user ownership, and also data rewards. Another thing that we can say, it's about the scalability and agent interaction. So the focus on generic infrastructure suggests a vision for a large-scale network of interacting AI agents on the NIR blockchain. Overall, we can say NIR's AI master plan is a bold vision for the future of AI development. By focusing on user ownership, open source models, and a scalable infrastructure for AI agents, NIR could potentially play a significant role in shaping the landscape of user-centric AI. So that was another news about the AI technology on May 22. And let's see what we have on May 23. So we go and see what we have. We have a lot of news as we see here. So another interesting news that we have on May 23, it's about the Robinhood wallet to enable gasless swaps on Arbitrum. So what is this news about? According to the title of this news and very short details that we have, this news is about an upcoming feature in Robinhood wallets, gasless swaps for transactions on the Arbitrum network. So, Robinhood wallet, it is a cryptocurrency wallet offered by Robinhood, will introduce support for gasless swaps. And also gasless swaps allow users to swap cryptocurrencies on Arbitrum network without needing any Ethereum for gas fees. We can consider some technical details about what they're doing. So the first thing we can say that is, Arbitrum is a blockchain network that aims to offer faster transaction speeds and also lower fees compared to Ethereum. And also, 0x is a decentralized exchange DEX aggregator, which means it finds the best swap rates across different DEX on Arbitrum. Another thing is, Robinhood likely covers the gas fees for gasless swaps behind the census, potentially including it in the swap rate. So what are the benefits for the users? What are the good news for the users? The first thing that we can say, it is easier and also more convenient swapping experience. It means users won't need to worry about having Ethereum for gas fees. Another thing we can say is about the potentially lower overall fees. Robinhood claims users will be presented with the best swap rate available, including gasless swaps. Overall, we can say gasless swaps on Robinhood Wallet for Arbitrum aim to simplify the cryptocurrency swapping process for users by eliminating the need to manage gas fees. So it's important to note that Robinhood might cover the gas fees in some way, so it is still recommended to understand the swap rates and any potential hidden cost. So this was another interesting news that we had on May 23. I hope you really enjoyed and like it. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, you can buy my support token on object.com, and also you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any opinion, please comment it for me. Bye guys, see you later.